Why does your scanner show the P057B engine code? What does it mean? P057B is a diagnostic trouble code for brake pedal position, sensor a circuit range or performance. The P057B engine code for indicate. The car's computer has detected that the electrical signal from the sensor measuring how far you press the brake pedal is out of the expected range, erratic, or unresponsive. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty brake pedal position sensor, corroded or electrical connections, damaged wiring, sensor misalignment, missing pedal relearn procedure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like GMC, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.